Hey Libra. So let's see what are the messages that come out for you. This reading is for Libra, Sun, Moon, Rising, Venus signs. Three of Pentacles. Librans are always paying attention to their work, which is a very good thing. Okay. You've got the Judgment card. Something is reaching its conclusion, Librans. If you guys are planning to do, take some higher education, then I guess this is not the right time to do so. Probably you guys are feeling stuck. Okay. Too many people involved. Wow. Card at the bottom of the deck is Strength. I'll keep it right here. So guys, I feel there was somebody you were involved with who could be working with you or who you must have met through work. And they could be a little immature. Somebody is juggling somebody. Someone in your life, it could be you juggling two people, or there could be somebody you're involved with who is juggling you with another person. Could be a fire sign individual, Librans, Leo, Aries, or Sagittarius. Could also be an earth sign individual, Virgo, Taurus, Capricorn. Could be a Leo person also. Whatever it is, whoever it is, they put you through, they have confused you, I think. Some of you feel confused when it comes to this relationship. The situationship could be a job. You feel stuck. You don't know how to um, manage two colleagues probably, or two people in your association where probably they don't get along with each other and you are stuck in the middle. This could be for somebody. It could also so excuse me, so I'm so sorry. Librans, what I'm seeing is that if it's not a job situation, if it's a relationship that you're thinking about, then you guys were involved with somebody who put you through a tower moment where you knew this person was someone so important to you. But for them, probably at that point in time, you weren't that important and it all fell down. Really, it all just came crashing down. Could be not an individual you were involved with. They wanted to pay attention to their work and not you. And this person was juggling between you or somebody else. And now that I see the connection, probably it could be that they couldn't juggle you and work, or you and family. You know, you were always there, but the other aspect kept changing. And I hope not, but for some of you, it was somebody else that, they were just two timing basically. Um, okay, I see a lot of communication coming in. You have three communication cards, and I'm definitely sure now that this is somebody from your past who wants to reconcile, probably, or they want to just have a conversation, try and give you a closure, give themselves a closure, and apologize, or try and start afresh. It could be a Scorpio person. There are too many cards, so I'm not going to pick them. Um, Whoever this person was, whatever this situation was, put you through a lot of pain, and you took your time to heal, you took your time to contemplate on things. Probably you tried to, pay attention to your work and your studies, but somewhere deep down you were stuck. Because you don't have closure from this person, this immature, unreliable person from your past who hasn't given you closure. somebody's father plays an important role in their lives. Probably this person didn't get along with their own father. If it's a girl, if it's a woman that you're talking about, probably she did not get, she was not very comfortable with her father, and she did not share a good relationship with him, and that had a spill over effect on your relationship with her because she has issues with authority. Probably you showed some kind of authority onto her, or tried to tell her that what's good and what's bad according to you, and she took it in the wrong manner. Probably it acted as a trigger, and she left. It could be a Cancer, Scorpio, that you could be dealing with, and whoever this person is has had time to think about it, and they realize that they have been a bit immature about it. But even now, when they come to communicate with you, I don't see a difference in their behavior. Probably just to make you communicate with them, just to make things a little more peaceful and cordial, they may put up a front, a mature front, but I don't think they are mature as of now. They're still very immature, and they still don't know a lot of things. And this was a confirmation for the Six of Pentacles. You got the Six of Cups. Somebody from your past definitely wants to come and reconcile with you. Libra, now it's up to you to give them a chance or not. And especially if they have put you through such pain, I feel you should not be hasty about it. Take your time and think about stuff. See how it's going to help you in the long run. Now you won't believe I said you've taken time to heal, and you should take time to heal, and there is a balsamic moon which says a time for healing. So this is your confirmation, Libra, that right now you need to pay attention to yourself. Surrender this connection to the divine, because only the best is going to happen. And no matter how much you try to control your situations, um, sometimes you just can't have a hold on them. If you are very keen on this person and you have tried to manifest them, then this is just your commitment being tested. And when this person comes back, I think there'll be a change in them. This could be for somebody who has been trying to manifest this person back into their life. I'll draw another card for you. It says emotions are running high. Of course, guys, if there's so much back and forth happening, then there'll obviously be overwhelming situations where emotions may get out of control, because obviously there was attachment, and there were times when things felt earth shattering, and obviously they hurt. So yeah, a time to give rather than take. If you have always been isolated, if since this connection ended and you've just withdrawn and not paying attention to your family or your friends, then I think this is the time to go and be with them, reunite with your family, and pay attention to things that make them happy. Sometimes when we pay attention to other people's needs, we get our own answers. Let go, as I said, let go of the past, let go of this situation if it's harming you emotionally. For now, just surrender it to the divine, and see how things unfold, Libra. Because I just feel that you're trying to hold on to things too tight, and it's burning your hands. And sometimes letting go is easier than holding on. So why not just throw it to the sky, just see where the chips fall and let them fall where they may, you know? That's about it for you, Libra. Thank you for watching. Bye.